So let me show you how to create a poll on YouTube. So you can actually create a poll for your YouTube community to interact with and maybe vote on something. So for instance, just go to the YouTube app and then tap on the plus icon to add a new post. Now under here, mostly it's going to go to video by default, or shorts for YouTube shorts, or live, or post. So you want to come to post. Okay. Now in this post, I'm just going to ask a question. For instance, so I've typed in that question there. So the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has no S Pen support. Is this a deal breaker? And so I can upload either a picture, or I can put a list there, or you can tap on the poll icon, and then it's going to give you options for the poll option. So you can have, in the poll options, you can have images or text. So for me, I'm just going to choose text. So one of the options should be yes, and the other one is no. Then I can add another option if I want to and say, for instance, maybe. Okay. Then I can add another option if I want to. But then when I'm done, I can just now tap on post. That's going to be posted, so I can view at any time. If I just go to my channel page and look at posts, you can see there's going to be that poll there. So that is basically how to create a poll on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.